Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer timer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new timer. The timer controls the function of the dryer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's shorted out inside and the dryer is not functioning. In order to get to the timer, we have to open up the console. First thing we're going to do is go to the back of it and remove the 3 Phillips screws across the top. Now that we have the 3 Phillips screws out, we can remove the 3/4 inch screws along the bottom of the panel. We're going to use our nut driver to take those out. Now that we have all the screws out, we can lift the panel up and pull it off. With the panel off, we have access to the timer. On this particular timer, there's a bunch of wires that you have to take off and swap onto the new one. So you want to take a couple pictures or make a good diagram of where all the wires go. Or if you want, you can hold the new timer next to it and one by one swap the wires out. We're going to use a needle nose pliers and pull the wires off. You only have to pull the wires off that go to the wiring harness. You don't have to do these smaller ones that go from the timer to the motor. Next one is this black one down here. And then the red one. On this side we have the orange one. The upper black one with the L on it. The red one, the lower black one, and the purple one. Now that we have all the wires off, we can go to the front and remove the knob and screws. To pull the timer knob off, all you have to do is grab it and very carefully pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Then we can use our 1/4 inch nut driver to take out these 2 screws that hold the timer in. As you're taking the second one out, you reach behind and grab the timer so it doesn't fall out. Here's the old timer next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new timer in, we're going to line it up and put it through the hole in the console. Once you have the screw holes lined up, put the screws in with our 1/4 inch nut driver. Once you have the screws in, we can put the knob back on. There's a flat on the knob and there's a flat on the shaft. All you have to do is line those up and push the knob on. Then we can go around the back and put all the wires back on. We're going to start on the right side. First we're going to put the black one on the bottom. Then the purple one went next to it. After the purple one, we can put the red one on. Then we have the black one that had the L on it. And then the orange one. On the left side, we're going to hook up the red one on the bottom. And then we had the black one on this inside one. And these 2 were empty. And then we had the 2 white ones on the upper ones. Once you have all the wires reconnected, we can put the back panel back on. The back panel sets on those tabs. All you have to do is line it up and set it on. Then we can put the screws back in that hold it in. First we're going to use the 1/4 inch nut driver to put in these lower screws. And then we can use a Phillips screwdriver to put in screws on the top. Now that we're done repairing the appliance, we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.